Hello and welcome. If you've purchased one of my templates, thank you. It means the world to me, and I hope it helps you to create and share wonderful moments. Or perhaps you're contemplating purchasing one of my templates, but aren't too sure how it works. Either way, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Your download file will include a link to your editable template. When you click on it, you will see a page like this. If you haven't already logged into Canva, do so now and you'll be able to edit the template. Then click View Template and open in Editor. Now you are ready to edit your copy of the template. Start by uploading your photos and any elements you wish to add. You can also upload fonts. Now you click Upload Files to select files from your device, or you can simply drag and drop them into this panel. From your uploads, drag your photo into the photo prompt. Now we can edit any live text prompts. You can find editable text by hovering with your mouse until you see the purple highlights. From there, just click and drag with your mouse to select the text and replace with your text. If you continue to hover, you can see any elements that are editable. Click on any editable object, then click on the three dots to open the Options panel. You can choose any of these options or click on Layer to view and edit layers. Here you can rearrange or delete layers. You can also embellish with additional elements right from Canva. To the far left, you will see the Elements feature. Click on Elements, then use the search bar to search for specific items. In this case, I typed, "It's a girl." This will bring up lots of options, but note that some of them are locked to a pro account. Once you've found something that suits you, simply click on it to add it to your template. From here, you can resize, reposition, and even recolor. When you are done making all changes, it's time to save your template. Go to Share. This is where we download our finished file. Next, click on Download. Now go to File Type and click on the drop-down to see your options. If you want to print this file, be sure to select PDF Print. I recommend checking Flatten PDF, and if required by the printer of your choice, you may need to check Crop Marks and Bleed. RGB is selected by default. Canva Pro members can change this to CMYK. Now, go ahead and hit Download. Check that everything looks good. To print at home, select the printer icon in the top right corner. Choose the printer you want to use. Then choose the print size you'll be printing at. When you're all set, go ahead and press Print. You can also download and save a copy of your PDF. To do that, click on the folder icon in the top right, select a folder to save to, and click Save. The template you purchased from my store will include a link to Adobe PDF Viewer. This free program will allow you to open your PDF file and export it as a high-resolution JPEG if you have a need for that. Now let's say you want to download your file for digital use, such as posting to social media or sending eVites. Back in Canva, go to Share, Download, and this time choose PNG or JPEG. Hit Download and select the folder to save to. Here is the file I've downloaded. If I double-click on it to open it in Windows, right-click on the image and choose File Info, you can see the file size shown in pixels as well as the DPI. By default, Canva downloads files of this type for web viewing, so the DPI will always be 96. This is perfectly fine for digital use, not so much for printing. If your file is too large for posting, you can always resize it to smaller dimensions, but be careful not to upsize it so you don't lose image quality. I think that pretty much covers it. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Or if you'd like to speak to me about a specific template, you can always message me on Etsy via the messaging system.